Hi everyone, welcome to Playwright tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will explain the difference between wait for selector and wait for timeout. Many people get confused and use the wrong wait, which make tests slow or fail. So in this video, I will show you what both waits do, when to use them, and an easy example. Let's begin. This is login page example, and first navigate to this URL. Click on username, enter username in username field, and then click on password field. After clicking on password field, enter password in password field, and then click on login button. Suppose we want to add some wait here. Wait until this login button is displayed. So here hard wait is, if you add hard wait, this is hard wait. Await page dot wait for timeout, and then enter here time. This approach will make slow your test. So what we need to do, we need to use wait for selectors. The main difference between wait for timeout and wait for selector. Wait for selector, this wait is smart. Playwright waits until the element appears on the page, and if the element appears early, Playwright continues without wasting time. If we use this wait, it will wait until this time is complete, because this is hard wait. So we need to use a best approach. Remove this one, and here we will use wait for selector. First enter here await page dot wait for selector, and then enter here locator value. As you can view here, for clicking on the login button, this is value. We need to enter here wait for selector, and then use here. After defining this value, after enter xpath value, enter here comma early brackets state, and state is here two option available, attached or visible. So here we will use visible, and then click. It will wait until this element is visible. So this is best approach for adding wait in Playwright. Now click on this button. So we will use here await page dot click, and then enter here this value. Enter here. We need to enter here comma. Here we will use comma here. Just copy this one and enter here. Now it will click on the login button. This is smart wait. If you use await page dot wait for timeout and mention time here, this approach will makes test slow. Await page dot wait for timeout, use this only when you want to slow the test for a demo. You want to show something in a video debugging for yourself. but not recommended for real testing. This wait is not recommended for real testing because wait for timeout fixed wait. This wait is not smart. It waits for a fixed time. As you can view here, define time here. Even if the element is already there, it makes test slow and sometimes unstable. So that's all about the wait in Playwright. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to us for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.